I fell where my demons dwell, my own little nightmare, I call it hell.
Hi everyone, for today's video I'm going to create a bridal look using this palette from Smashbox. These are the colors inside. I'm actually very excited what kind of bridal look we're going to come up with using this eyeshadow palette. So let's get started. First, we want to make sure that our face is clean and ready for makeup, but I'm going to do my eyebrows first. So skin preparation is very important, so make sure that you do that a night before you're ready. You tend to forget a lot of things, and that's okay, but it's gonna be better if you don't forget it, because it's very important actually to have a skin preparation a day before your wedding, so that in the next day you have a healthy looking skin. So I just washed my face, but I did not put moisturizer yet, so I will be using this vitamin enriched face base from Brow. Then the next step is I'm going to use a primer. I will be using this primer from Smashbox. I'm going to fill it in my pores. So I love doing my brows first before my foundation. I'll be using this Brow Pomade from Anastasia. So I love to dispense the product first in my hand to make sure that I'm not going to put a lot in my eyebrows. I'm going to fill in the middle first and then into the tail. So after using this Brow Pomade, I love to use this Brow Wiz from Anastasia just to make it look more natural. I'm already done filling my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna clean it with concealer. Next is I will be using this Gimme Brow from Benefit to tame my eyebrow hairs. There you have it. So my brows are done. If you want to see the step-by-step tutorial in how I do my brows, you can check the description box below. I will make sure that I put the link in there. Let's proceed to the eyeshadow. I'll be using this next as my eyeshadow base or eyeshadow primer. Because we're going to do my eyeshadow, let me just zoom you a little bit. Oops. There. I hope you're not scared. It's time to do my eyeshadow. Are you excited? I'm actually excited. I'll be using this brush from NYX. It's like an angled brush. Any kind of brush that looks like this gives you like a cut eye effect. This eyeshadow base from NYX needs to be set because it's creasing. Yeah. Let me just set my eyeshadow first. I'm just using this Coty Earth one to set my eyeshadow base. I'll be using this nude rose for my transition shade. I'm not really closing my eyes because I have hooded eyelids, as you can see. So I want to make sure that my eyes are open so I can see where I can put my transition shade. Just blending it swiper motion. Make sure that there is no harsh edges. So I'll be using this Coffee Blossom Coffee Blossom shade, which is the darkest shade in the palette. I'm just gonna get a little bit of this. I'm gonna tap this at the outer corner of my eyes and then blend it in a circular motion. Concentrate this in the outer corner. Just like this. If you want to darken it more, you can always put more. I'm going to use a clean blending brush just to blend this eyeshadow. So I'm going to put this in the inner corner of my eyes into the middle. Pressing motion. Next is the eyeliner. I will be using this gel eyeliner from Maybelline. I want to have a sharp looking eyeliner, so what I'm going to do is put some concealer in it. I'm going to pop up some lashes. If you have new lashes, don't forget to trim it. There, so while I'm trying this, I'm going to curl my lashes and put some mascara on. Okay, take note guys, this mascara is not waterproof, but if you are going to do makeup for a bride, you need to make sure that your mascara is waterproof, because of course there's gonna be a crying moment and you will not gonna like it if your mascara is not waterproof, because it's gonna be a mess. For the sake of this video, I'm just gonna use this Dior. It's now tacky. More thing from this palette for my lower eyelids. I'm going to use this rose quartz. Yep. A little lower in the waterline. This brush, and I'm going to take this Coffee Blossom. And of course the waterline, we should not forget. I will be using this Maybelline. And let's do the highlights. I will be using this Opal Rose for my inner corner and for the highlights here in the brow bone. So we're done with our eyes. Now it's time to do the face. I want to color correct this dark under eye and also the redness of my nose just a little tiny bit, not too much. I will be using the Sephora color correcting palette. So I'll be using this green one first. This Estee Lauder because I know this will last a while. At the same time, it will not give you a cakey foundation. So this foundation, I know that it will not give you a flashback because there's no SPF in it. This is tested, so that will last a while throughout the day. Even if it's humid and sunny, especially if you have a beach wedding. So concealer. last one. I will be using this Estee Lauder Perfecting Press Powder to brighten my under eye a little bit. Setting powder to set my face. Alright, let's go to contour, my favorite part. I'll be using this Naked Skin Infinity palette for my contour. And I'll be using this shade here. And I'll be using this brush. For a couple of seconds and dust it off after. Alright, so next is bronzer. I'm going to use this butter bronzer. I almost forgot my nose contour. Our highlighter, I will use this Mega highlighter. And we should not forget our blush. This is the blush I'm using from the Alma Tree Blush Set palette. And after that, I love to use my body blush to make sure that there's no harsh edges. That there's no powder in this one. There. From the lipstick, I'm going to use this Huda Beauty Bombshell Lip Contour. And I'm going to use this liquid lipstick. I love using liquid lipstick that it will last long, and it's like kiss proof too. But it depends on the brand, of course. This is the shade Mojito from Huda Beauty again. Don't forget your setting spray. This will help the makeup last longer. So don't forget to put setting spray. So there you have it, guys. This is what I look using that eyeshadow palette. So what do you think? Thank you so much for watching.